in the October heat. In the bustling area of Fort, we have the GPO. As we can see, it's a heritage structure constructed in 1913 and still holding fort, holding strong. And so we are at Fort, and this is just adjoining the CSMT, or the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Railway Terminus. Hello, welcome, Sat Sri Akal and Adab. We are at the erstwhile heritage structure of CSMT, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, which is the railway terminus. In the good old days, it was called the Victoria Terminus. As you can see, all the railway platforms, number 1 to number 18, all across here. And now we shall proceed adjoining to the main gate of CSMT, adjoining platform number 18 near P. de Miller Road. That's where we will visit today's important assignment, Restaurant on Wheels. So join us for a fantastic review of today's restaurant called Boogie Woogie, a restaurant on wheels, which is nothing but a reconstructed railway boogie on a live track, and perfect ambience, air-conditioned compartment, and a good food review with us. Join us. Thank you. This is the main entrance of CSMT, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, next to platform number 18 and right next to P. de Miller Road. So the access from P. de Miller Road into the main entrance next to platform number 18 to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus is the right way to come to Boogie Woogie. This is a restaurant on wheels from a converted car shed, a locomotive car that is turned into a restaurant. You can see the takeaway section on the left hand side. They've even put the tracks down to make that experience more lively. And now we shall enter in and check out the menu. So follow us. We are now inside the Boogie Woogie train restaurant, and you can see the interiors are done up very well indeed. It's got some of the nice paintings on all the sides, including some collages, and at the extreme end we can see a full-fledged kitchen like in a pantry car inside a railway train journey that you'd normally have. So let's soon have a look at the menu and see what's interesting. Here we have a mixed veg grill sandwich. Looks good, tastes good. The reason why we've taken a sandwich is we're easily able to compare versus others how good they are in taste. And what you can see is well garnished with a lot of beetroot, carrots, cabbage, and a lot of cheese garnished on top. So it's very tasty. Here comes the crispy chili veg. They look nicely cooked and glazed. Let's taste and see how crispy and how tasty they are. Very crispy. Mixed with a lot of flavors and very nice. You can see a lot of cauliflower, more than other vegetables though, but taste was really good. This is the orange juice and this is the sweet lime juice. In color they look identical, but it's the flavor that actually is different. So this is the orange and this is the Mossambi or sweet lime juice. They're good. There's a little amount of water added to it, and we can taste the sugar as well. This is an all sauce potato preparation. It is very similar to the crispy chili veg that we ordered, except that it has far more flavors of more sauces and slightly at an upper level of spiciness. So watch out when you order this. Ask them to taper down the spice. This is a constant view that one gets from the Boogie Woogie restaurant. There's no moving view like how you would get in a regular train compartment. But hey, we can't ask for everything. If you need that, you can buy yourself a train ticket. Just adjoining the Boogie Woogie restaurant on wheels is a site where you can see the old discarded engines of the railway lines. So you can see the engine, one of the old ones, I'm not sure which one, but it mentions as Kalyan of Madhya Railway, which is Central Railway. So we can see it in the distance here. Indeed a marvel to visit and see. Thank you. Interesting to see one more here of Central Railway, and I think the Kalyan that they mention is actually a railway station. So this is another discarded engine of the railway, the locomotive, and there are a few more here, but they look more like the toy trains, but not kept very well, and you'll be surprised to see the condition they're in, with all shrubs growing around them, and left unattended, neglected, with trees growing, plants growing all around. You can see this, but you can marvel at the engines of the good old days that chugged on Central Railway line. Something for us to remember the past.